TOAs should be updated throughout the life of a funding source as plans change. With that being said, there may be a time where you need to adjust your TOA. To adjust your TOA, you're simply going to expand, and under Action, you're going to see the pencil icon. Select the pencil icon. Once selected, you're going to see the Adjust TOA Amount. We are going to choose an adjustment type, which I'm going to choose TOA. You're going to add a new TOA amount. And once I input my new TOA amount, you're going to see that the adjusted amount automatically populates. I then need to input a reason, which I'm going to choose new TOA. And as I mentioned before, it's important to notice that all of the fields with the red asterisks are going to be required in order to save or to complete the form. Now that I feel that all the fields have been filled out appropriately, I'm going to just do a quick double check just to make sure. And then I'm going to hit save. Once I hit save, you should see the adjustments within your TOA. So we should see the new TOA amount for $50,000. Now for whatever reason, if you feel that you need to delete this TOA, we have that option. You would just simply select the trash can icon. We also have the option to export this information into an Excel document. All you would do is hit Export All Filtered TOAs. We also have the option to export all the TOA adjustments. If you were unsure on what these icons were to what they would mean, all you would do is hit Legend and you would be able to see that as well.